Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a template for your planner stickers in Photoshop. Now for the template that I'm going to set up, it's for the Happy Planner, and the sizes of the little square stickers are 1.5 inches by 2.25 inches, and that's what we're going to be doing. Now for like an Erin Condren planner or anything like that, you just would have to size the template according to the size of the little squares. So we're going to start out by going to File, New, and creating a new document at 8.5 by 11. Next, what I'm showing you is we're going to be creating guides. And the guides are, what you do is you go Command P, and that will make a guide for you without having to go to this view and click New Guide. So once you click Command P, a little box will pop up and it'll show horizontal and vertical lines. And what you want to do is you have to figure out the spacing all the way across according to your Happy Planner sizes or Erin Condren or whatever planner size stickers that you want to make for the boxes. We're going to start out with the vertical boxes. So I'm going to make a line at 0.25, which is just the start of the side of the box. Next, we're going to make one at 1.75, and then click OK. And then, so that's the 1.5 inches across for the width of the sticker size. Next, we're going to be placing 1/8 inch space between the two stickers, and then it'll be the 1.5 inches, and then 1/8, 1.5 inches, all the way across. The next one will be at 1.875, and then one at 3.375, 3.5, and then one at 5, 5.125, 6.625, 6.75, and the last one will be at 8.25. Now we have the width of the boxes all the way across. The next thing we have to do is set up the horizontal lines, and that will be by 2.25 all the way down the page. So I'm starting out with 0.25 for the start of the boxes, and then the next one will be at 2.5, and then one at 2.625, creating a 1/8 inch gap in between the boxes again, and then one at 4.875, 5, another one at 7.25. Okay, so we could stop here and create just like a half sticker sheet, and then you could put like little icons at the bottom of this, or like quotes or whatever you want to do. But if you wanted to keep going, then you would put another one at 7.375, another one at 9.625, and then that will be your full page of boxes. And then there's still a little bit of room at the very bottom if you want to add some more icons like circles or some like washi or whatever you want to add to the very bottom. Okay, so once you have your full sheet or half sheet or whatever you want, the next thing you want to do is to File, Save As, and then save it as a Photoshop document and save it as like template for planner stickers. So that way you can just have the template saved, and then you can just pull pictures in there and then delete pictures, and then like after you save it as a PNG, then you can just have your template ready at all times, and you don't have to keep making it. All the guidelines will be set for you each time that you go into the Photoshop document. Now that you have your template for your planner stickers and it's all saved, now you can start bringing in your photos. To bring in photos, you go to File, Open, and then you go to wherever you save your pictures. So now I brought in a picture, and if you want to be able to move it to a new document, you have to double click on the layer and then go to the arrow and then click and drag the photo into your template in the tab up above. Now, to resize the photo to fit your template, you want to click Command T to transform the picture, And then make sure you have your snap on, which you go up to view and then click snap if you don't already have your snap on. That way it makes it easier when you're transforming your picture for it to snap to your guidelines, and then it'll be the correct size of the box that you need. So then here I'm just bringing in more photos just to show you how to bring them into your template. Here I'm showing you that you can change the colors by going up to the hue and saturation sliders. And then once you have your colors chosen, you have to hold down Command E on your keyboard, and that will flatten the layers, so then you can be able to click and drag it into your template document. And here I am just transforming the picture so then it can fit easily into the boxes. So now I'm showing you how to get rid of the background of a quote that has a white background and black lettering to pull into your document. So all you have to do is take the magic wand from the side, click the background, and that should get rid of all of the white. Next, you go to the arrow tool and then click and drag your black lettering into your template and then pull it down to the bottom. And then you won't have to worry about the white background showing up in your planner, because then it'll just be like a PNG. Now I'm going to show you how to save your planner stickers to be able to put it into your planner without having a white background. So what you want to do is click off the background layer, so then you get the checkerboard and you just have your photos that show up with your guidelines. Next, you want to go up to File, Save As, and name your file, and then you want to change the format to PNG. And then just click Save and OK. Once you save your document as a PNG, you can go into your sticker set or your folder, wherever you saved it to, and you'll be able to see, if you double click on it, what it will look like when you bring it into your planner. So you'll have no background, so you'll be able to just click and drag your cut tool or whatever you use to paste pictures into your planner, and it'll be so easy. And here are just some of the other planner stickers that I have made as an example. And all these pictures are from either Tumblr or Pinterest. And that's it. So easy. So the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload them into your planner or into Procreate, which I use to decorate my planner with.